Hi guys, welcome to Code and today I'm back again with a question called length of last word. It's an lead code is a question. So basically, as the name suggests, it might be clear that we have to find the uh, length of the last word. For example, they have given a string hello world. What is the length of the last string, that is word? Well, the length of this is 5. For example, the last word length is 4. Cool. So we have to do we have to just return the length of classroom. So it's really simple. The thing is, what is the method we are going to use? You can go with different approaches, but one of the approaches is just iterating it. Just find the length of it, and we need to take a for loop that is from the backside. Just iterate from the backside. Calculate the length. Use a counter variable and until I mean the string is equal to space, till then just iterate and increase the counter. When you find the space, just do a break. That's basic ideology. I less than or equal to 0. Basically, it will not go till I equal to 0, but still the worst case, if you take the worst case, it might go. If what if there is a single word, that's it. That time it goes till the uh, 0, right? Cool. So like what did we say? If I of s is double equal to space, then just do a break, or else c plus plus. C plus plus is nothing but the counter variable that we take, uh, equal to 0. This will just give us the length and we just have to return c. The basic ideology. But can you can you tell me there is some error in this? If you run this for this test cases, it will run. But still, we just give an example. If I take this one, see, it doesn't run. It gives you the wrong answer. It gives you 0. Why? Because the space is at the beginning itself, right? You are given if s of I is double equal to space break. What if there is a space at the beginning? Then your counter will be 0 itself, right? So we have to add another condition saying that if c double equal to 0 and if s of I double equal to space, then continue, right? Why continue? If as what is c double equal to 0? C double equal to 0 justifies that there is no word or letter encounter, right? So if there is no letter encounter and if there is space, just continue, right? So if we run this now, it will accept, right? So let's submit this. This does work. What can be the other approach? Other approach can be by taking the string stream. Let me just show you in that one. You might have study of the string stream. What string stream does? For example, if it is hello world, what string stream does is it separates the words in the string. This is what a string stream does usually. So what we do is string stream. Let's take st of yes, because we are taking the string stream of s, right? So and we are also taking a variable called str, and we say that while uh, st pass it to str, continue it. I'll just explain you what's going on, then at last just return str dot length. I'll just explain you what is going on. basically let's run once. It does work. So basically what you're doing is, as I said, uh, what string stream does. String stream, if you have a word called hello world, what it does is it will break this down into hello and word world, right? So basically your whole string is divided into sub strings, right? Like hello and world. It will separate the spaces and it will give you the separate word. So you are saying that uh, while str is a separate string we are taking, we are passing this that is the string stream length into the str. We are giving it to the str and we are saying that until this will until it is empty, st is empty, just pass on the words into str, right? So look, so what it does, the last str will be this one, right? So next it doesn't have any more st because next is just space, there is no any word. So the last stored word will be word, right? Obviously, because after word there is no other words, right? So str will store at the end, it will be having only word, right? So we are just saying str dot length because the last word will be the word, so its length we want, right? So this is one of the technique, and even this works. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like the solution. If you like the video, do like the content and do subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more updates. Stay coding. Be safe. Thank you.